Hey there, today we're going to make an instant transfer using the balance from your transactions in the Square account. We're going to send it over instantly to your checking account. Easy to do. Go to your settings, go to balance. Your balance will show you what your Square account balance is. That's going to be the balance from all of the charges you've processed. You can see here I have $12.01. How do you want to get it? Where do you want to get it? How fast? We want it instant. It shows you that rate. It is really low. If I enter in the entire $12.01, what I'll be getting deposited is $11.80. So 21 cents to have instant access to that money in your checking account seems like a very fair trade. Different from other different online accounts is that it doesn't seem that you need to have that same checking account's debit card attached. You can see here if I go into my notifications, it's going to show me that the transfer was sent, and then instantly when I go to my checking account, there it is.